Understanding maturity date, a key financial term. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an important financial term, maturity date. Whether you're dealing with loans, investments, or savings, understanding this term is crucial. Let's break it down together. A maturity date refers to a future point in time when the principal amount of a loan, bond, or other financial instrument becomes due and is to be paid in full. It's the date when a financial agreement reaches its conclusion, and the remaining principal balance must be paid. Knowing the maturity date is vital because it helps in planning financial strategies. For loans, it indicates when you'll be debt-free. For investments, it marks the time when you'll receive your principal, often with interest. Understanding this term helps in making informed financial decisions. 1. Bonds. When you buy a bond, the maturity date is when you'll get back the principal amount invested, often along with the last interest payment. 2. Bank deposits. For fixed deposits, the maturity date is when you can withdraw your money along with the accrued interest. 3. Loans. If you take a car loan with a 5-year term, the maturity date is the point 5 years from now when the loan will be fully repaid. And that's a wrap on maturity date. Knowing this term is a step forward in mastering financial English. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion and aids your financial literacy journey. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.